How to recover deleted Snapchat memories. Go to Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, go to this stories. So after you open up your profile, go to settings. In this section, scroll to down. Go to this my data. After you open my data, so in this section now, data available for downloads, scroll to down, turn on this option, this one. So turn on this option. After I turn on this option, here is the size of the data. So scroll to down. So tap on this next. So in this section now, choose the date range that you want to download. So you can just go ahead and choose last week, last 2 months, last year, or all time. Just go ahead and choose the date and tap on this submit button. Before you tap on the submit, make sure you give them confirm your email address. So they'll send you an email through the email address. So they'll send me a link through the email address so I can be able to download my data that I lost through the link that they sent to me. So tap on this submit. So as you can see now, here it says in progress. So now after they send the email to my email address, this will be marked as good. Therefore, you can follow the email address to download your data. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.